Most people were asking me how to get the missing character of a font. Today I'm gonna teach you that using Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign. Also, I will teach a technique that you can get missing characters for any softwares. You can paste it. So this is Illustrator, and actually you almost can use it for any font you use. If you're missing any character, you can use this method. So click wherever you want the character to be and go to the type and clips. Then you will have this kind of a character window, and then you can find your missing character from here and double click on it. Then you will have the missing character. Also here I'm gonna add dot. This one and this one. Yeah, that one. Let's see if you want comma here, you can add. That's in Illustrator, and here I'm gonna show how to do it in Photoshop. In Photoshop you don't have a thing called glyphs. Here you can see, you can't see any glyphs here. Instead you can do it using character map. If you search on Windows character map here, character, you can click on that and have this character map. What we're gonna do is we're gonna find the missing character here and select, copy it, and we are going to paste it here. Control V, or you can paste it here. Likewise, you can continue that. Poppins, you have to select your font here, which font you are using. So I'm gonna use Poppins here, Poppins medium, and find the missing character. Delete the one, select, copy and paste. That's in Photoshop. And this is InDesign, Adobe InDesign, and here InDesign also have the thing called clips here, and the shortcut is Alt+Shift+11, as you can see. And we take clips panel and we are going to select what we want, double click on it, it's here. And this one, double click on it, it's here. So it's pretty cool, right? And I would like to tell you that special thing about the Windows character map, which is if you click on one character, most of characters have the keystroke, which is providing a key 0169 specific key for each character. Most of it have this keystroke. If it's available a keystroke, that means you can type this code by pressing Alt and you can have this character there. As example, this is 0169, so I'm gonna hold on the Alt key and press 0169. That's cool, right? If you are uncomfortable with going all the way for this character map window, you can remember this code and type it with Alt 0169, right? You can have that way here. 0169 0169, you can have that. Yeah. Let's try another one. Some characters doesn't have it, but most of it have. This one, let's try this one. 0163 0163. Right, so that's it for today.